say, are you married? We'll say no, man. But you can